Hey there YouTube, this SJM4306. Oh, I almost got tongue-tied there. I know it's been a while since my last video, but I wanted to give you guys an update. I'm home over break. This is one of the last few days I'll be home, but I've been working all week. So I bought a Axis laser module. Right in here is a DVD burner laser, so just a standard 16-time DVD burner. I made a driver using just a simple op amp and then just some NPN transistors and then just a very standard simple thing. Tested this out. It works. I'm a little worried about accidentally blinding myself, so I did not go up to full power, and I'm waiting for protective goggles to come in before I attempt to actually drive this anywhere near its full capability. But this is just a proof of concept that it does work. And I was able to melt little black pieces of foam and, start them smoking and whatnot. So that was really cool. And this is why I built that. This guy right in here. So this is it's going to be a laser engraver. 2 DVD drives sacrifice their stepper motors and mounting plates for this for the Y and then the X motion as well. This platform, I can put a foam piece of paper, whatever. Laser will be pointing downwards, and I can essentially engrave wood, plastics, anything that has relatively low melting point. I can cut and engrave, and this is just more or less kind of for fun. Hooks up to a computer just via a USB cable, and here, let me swing it around and show you exactly what's going on here. So here you can see the driver board that I made. It's a Arduino Pro Mini flash with GRBL version 9, I believe I have right now, as well as 2 easy driver stepper motor drivers. These guys are the stepper motor wiring, as well as the home. There's like a little micro switch for home detection. I've yet to fully configure this, the settings for this exact physical layout and whatnot. So there's some inconsistencies. Like I've noticed the movement is inverted and mirrored, and so there's some software things I need to work out. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick demo of it, that it does indeed work. And so right now I am using a program called GRBL controller, and here it just gives me a simple serial terminal. Once I select the COM port with the correct baud rate, I can manually jog everything as well as load G-code up. So that's what I have right now. I just have some simple G-code that says hello world, just testing the motor movement. And so I will run this, and you guys can see the motors coordinating. So yeah, everything works. Obviously I don't have end stops enabled or anything like that, and I didn't have this home properly or anything, but this is just a demonstration that the motor drivers are working and the Arduino controller is communicating properly with the computer. But yep, you can see everything's moving just fine. So once I get a laser on there, I can start engraving and cutting stuff. It's just a little fun project that I started on the side after seeing some Instructables on it, and I thought it'd be pretty neat. And I had some fairly thick plexiglass lying around, so I built the frame out of that. Yeah, finally found a use for it. I had an old erector set. I used some of the screws and the mounting plates and whatnot to screw everything together, so this guy's nice and solid. I do need to grease up some of the mechanical portions, so these were quite old drives and I had them open for quite a while. So you can see though, everything is moving as it should be. Just some fine-tuning and mounting laser and whatnot, and I can finally get this project nearly buttoned up after I started this maybe about a year ago or something like that. And there we go. You can see that it had printed out everything. That's the toolpath. Yeah, so once I get this project buttoned up, I will definitely make another video of it showing it in full action in all its glory. So until then, I'll see you guys.